Hello everyone, this woman is responsible for a province in South Africa called, I believe, Limpopo Department of Health. So she is representing the government of South Africa in Limpopo. She is unprofessional, rude, and inhumane. This woman decided to go to a hospital where a Zimbabwean patient was hospitalized, and she decided to humiliate that patient. That shocked me. It's made me cry. Even though I'm not even from Zimbabwe.
Worst one. When I was you speak Shona. And then how do you find yourself in Villa Villa and Malala when you are supposed to be with Munangago there? You know he doesn't give me money to operate you guys. And I'm operating with my limited budget.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Oh, well, you can't appreciate that. You're killing my health system.
What a shameful woman. It's not everything you post on social media. It's not everything you record and post on social media. I think internet should be removed from some people.
You are killing my health system. When you guys are sick, I'm hearing these days, you just say, let's cross Limpopo River. There's an MEC there who's running charity department.
No, they are not killing your health system. You are just a wicked person. I wonder if you are born from a human being.
It's not. And I'm going to tell you something that is truthful and painful. You know that SA goes and count people during the census and tell me that in Limpopo you have got 5.7 million people, and tell me out of that 5.7 million, 91% do not have medical aid.
Like most black people in Africa, we even don't know what is a medical aid. And in South Africa, only the white elite that own everything, that run the economy of the country, that own the big businesses, that get high paid salary, those are the ones got medical aid. But how can a poor black person who live in a township in Limpopo or in what they call it, in Soweto, can afford a medical aid?
They are dependent on the state. 9% they will say has got medical aid, they depend on private hospital. And then they go and give National Treasury. When National Treasury allocates its budget, they said Limpopo has got 5.7 million people, and they subtract the 7%, 9%, and they give me the budget of the 91 to do all these operations. Now, I am here, instead of using the budget for what it's meant for, I'm operating for what Mnangagwa is supposed to do. And that is why when my people of Limpopo want health services, they can't get.
Blame it to your failure, not to those poor patients. Blame it to yourself, because you are not providing it to them. How can you go harass a sick woman on her bed, even though you are the responsible of health? How can you be like this, like a monster? Why do you have to record this and then post it on social media?
And that is angering the community. Because you are coming here to... I was in George Masere. We are busy operating Mozambican national everywhere. And you are not even registered anywhere. You are not counted. You are even illegal.
This is a black woman calling a African woman, a Zimbabwean woman, that she's illegal. Those borders, they wasn't there. There was no borders those borders was imposed to us. But look this, calling this woman illegal. She's a shameful, this one.
And you're abusing me. This is unfair. It's unfair. I can't go to Zimbabwe and get health care. Do you think they can allow to operate me? It's for their own people. I went to Canada recently. You know, before I entered the country, I must show, before they give me a visa, I must show them that a proof that indeed if I fell sick in Canada, I'll be able to cater for myself.
Yeah, they always want to take example from the racist country. They always want to take an example from a country that their country doesn't have even a 1% of level. So they always want to take an example from the West. This is pure black hate. This is the pure black hate. Black hate is dangerous. Black hate is worse.
It's only in South Africa where people just come in. And people have got problems with Minister Mtsoaledi. You know why he's like this? It's because he was working in health and he knows the pain. And people call him xenophobic to say he's anti-Zimbabwean. He's not anti-anybody.
As he's talking about this man is a pure xenophobic. This man hate foreigners. I say foreigner, not all the foreigner, but he hate black foreigner that live in South Africa, but he love the white one. You can hear him in this video. He's saying a clinic that was built by Bill Clinton, and then a foreigner. Bill Clinton is a foreigner, and it was built by a Bill Clinton. Listen what this hater is saying.
I think it was after 2013, because I remember in August 2013, Bill Clinton was visiting a clinic in Hammanskraal because PEPFAR was funding that clinic. So as a former president, he wanted to see how they're doing. I had to rush there to prepare for him. While I was sitting there, the sister told me, Minister, 60% of the ladies who are coming here.
60?
Yeah, she said 60, who are coming here for antenatal care and delivery are coming from Zimbabwe. I said, how do you know, sister? She said, no, we sit and talk, women to women. I'm their nurse after all. You know? So I said, how? Then
this man, when he was by the Department of Health, he chased away the foreigner from the hospitals. All the hospitals in South Africa, foreigner wasn't allowed in. And a lady from Burundi, I believe, or Congo, she was pregnant. She went to 4 hospitals and she was chased away. And that woman, she ended up giving birth in the street.
The country is starting to drown under the needs of healthcare, the need of education, the need of housing, and the need of jobs because of the issues of migration. When I was in health, I mentioned this fact as fact because we had figures. I was talking figures. 70% of the women who deliver in Musina Hospital will be foreign nationals.
This is what this shameful lady did mention. So her and the Home Affairs Minister, they are on the same boat. They are both black haters.
In 2018, there was a big story in the media about a lady from Burundi who was turned away from Steve Biko Hospital and went to Charlotte Macraeke and turned away and ended up delivering at Park Station. And I was called to the media about us being xenophobic.
Of course you are. You are worse than the apartheid regime. What you are doing is worse than the apartheid regime, what they was doing to black people in South Africa.
Minister Mtsoaledi was feeling the pain. I used to go with him to Musina to see the problem there. So says, you won't be discharged until you settle your bill. You must charge him. CEO.
You should have went there without filming it and then asking the lady to pay for the services. But you don't have to go there, record it, and humiliate her. This is so shameful. I feel sorry for that woman.